Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Sharma. I am computer teacher of Even Xavier School. In this video, I am going to explain you performing calculation with various inbuilt function or with AutoSum button. So for finding the all inbuilt function, you just click on the fx or formula bar. Okay, then you can see the various function or all inbuilt function in your screen. So Excel provide various inbuilt function by which you can perform your calculation. Here you can see all the functions or all the inbuilt or pre-built function of your Excel or other method. You can just click on the auto sum button. In the auto sum button you can see sum, average, count, maximum, minimum, and just click on the more function, and here you can see all inbuilt function of Excel. Otherwise you can just click on the formula tabs, and you can find all the formulas related or inbuilt functions in your this tab ribbons. Okay, so here you just I type equal to sum. So in the drop down menu you can see the all inbuilt functions. Okay, so here just I type 1 2 3. I type data with autofill features. The autofill is the easiest method to fill data in the cells automatically. I type 1 and 2. Okay, and hold down the left mouse button and drag the fill handle down for the cell B8. Okay, and 2 3 are 2 4 6, and you can find. So here I type various data in cell for performing calculation, and next I write total, average, max, minimum, and second largest number, third largest number, then first small number, and fifth small number. So here just I find these total, average, maximum, minimum, second largest, third largest, first small, and fifth small number with the help of auto auto sum button or with the help of functions, pre-built functions. So here I just write equal to and I prepare a formula plus type different cells. Okay, and with the help of auto sum button you just select the all the cells or range, and click on the auto sum button. So automatically the auto sum button or the auto sum means in sum function automatically calculate, perform the sum operation. Here you can insert any row or any column, so automatically changes will be appear in your total cell or your particular cell. Okay, if you delete any cell or any particular row or column, so automatically your functions calculated with respect to your particular range. Okay, here I just type equal to sum C1 to C9. So here the Excel provide only C1 to C9 cells or range of cell sum operations. Okay, so with the help of just you can drag these function to other columns also. Okay, then equal to sum I explain I just here type equal to means in other columns automatically this operation will be performed with the dragging the range. Okay, or dragging the particular formulas. Okay, then next I perform the average operation. So just click on the average button. Okay, automatically Excel select the particular range, okay, equal to average B1 to B9. Okay, if you change any range, you can change the range. Okay, I perform B1 to B8. Okay, perform average operation. Okay, then just drag the formula to other cell. You can get all the columns average operation have performed. Then same maximum minimum. Okay, just select the auto sum button and select automatically auto sum function easily select the data. Okay, and perform a particular operation. Here one more operation I perform, second largest. So second largest is a function available in the Excel. Okay, so you just click on the insert functions, okay, or formula bar. So here I select the array means whatever range from you perform the largest or second largest number. So just click just yeah, you have to type the range, means B1 to B9 or C1 to C9 or any range you can type. Okay, then second largest, so just you have to write number, so you have to write second. Okay, enter. So B1 to B8, 7 is the second largest number, 8 is the first largest number, and 7 is the second largest number. So same, you can perform these second largest function to all the particular columns. Okay, then third largest, same, so third largest you can find. Okay, then first largest, first is small, so first is smaller, there is a small function, small inbuilt function. Okay, in the Excel, just write just type small and perform set the range, and first write k, in the k number you just write the first small and the same fifth small. So with the help of Excel functions, you can perform various operation in the inbuilt function. Okay, thank you everyone.